Alright, look at that. Here we go. We went in here and we did it. Alright. Hey, what's up? It's Israel again. This is my truck. There are many like it, but this one is mine. Anyway. Yeah, I got a problem that it was, I came home from work, parked it, everything was running fine. The next day I went to start it, wouldn't turn on, no spark. I don't even think I think the pump was running, but the injectors weren't feeding any fuel to the pistons. But yeah, no, we put the scan tool on. My brother, he got from Amazon or some shit like that, or something like that, and we put it on, and I changed the crank sensor. Figure that's before I borrowed his tool, and then from the tool. Anyway, and it turned out when we used it, it came out the cam sensor. I thought I had changed it, but I didn't change it when I did the tune-up. I should have, but I don't know why I didn't do it. It's weird. But anyhow, where'd it go? Where'd I put that? Well, here's the crank sensor. Crank sensor. That was a pain in the butt to get out, but it's not as bad as they say online. I took it out like in an hour, and I didn't have to take the tire off or something like that. But yeah, no, I took it off, and where did I put it? Oh, what the hell? Wanted to show it. Oh, here it is, right here. All right, this is what it looks like. All right, it's a little round disc. They call it ignition. Whatever, I don't know. I went to Advance and he was having a hard time finding it because it wasn't under cam positioning sensor or something like that. But essentially, this is what it does, because the distributor rides on the cam. Blah blah. Anyway, so yeah, this is it. Wouldn't start, do anything, just dead in the water. This little disc. It wasn't cheap either. I think it was like 50 something bucks for this flimsy thing. But there you go. It's all good. Thank you for watching. But yeah, if you have a problem with that, like I said, I just parked it. The next day, no go, nothing. Was running fine the day before. This thing just went. Ignition pickup. We call it a pickup. So anyway, all right. That's what it was. If anybody had problems like that, try those two things first. I changed the other one anyway, because regardless, you have to change. If this goes, the other one's probably the same. I don't know, whatever. Out.